So you might be wondering why this car looks so aggressive, special and cool. Because this is not a normal SF90. This is the Keyvany SF90, and we spent so much time and effort, newly engineered everything about this car. It has so much carbon fiber. Let me show you guys what we did with this car. Let's go. So we tried to make this car look as aggressive and as cool as possible and make it special from all the other normal SF90s. So we put carbon fiber parts on the hood, the front splitter, the side of the bumper, and we made them with a new engineered and a newly full designed aerodynamic style to make the car have the most amount of performance and the least amount of weight. So here it used to be a normal Ferrari logo, but we don't need that. So we moved it with carbon fiber cover and the Keyvany logo painted in red to match the car. So here we have these beautiful gloss black rims with the Keyvany logo on them in red, carbon ceramic brakes, red calipers with a touch of carbon fiber, and all of this was designed to match the car, the carbon fiber color and the red color. So we removed the normal SF90 mirror cover, we put this sporty looking carbon fiber mirror here, and you and 19 other lucky people on earth could have this piece of art because this is a 1 of 20 on the whole planet. On the side here, we put the Keyvany logo in black, and under it, we put this side skirt, full carbon fiber to make it lightweight and to give the car better aero and make it look meaner. To make the car look as aggressive as it drives, we added a touch of carbon fiber here under the tail light, this beautiful carbon fiber spoiler, this fully engineered Keyvany exposed carbon diffuser, and our own iconic touch, Formula 1 inspired brake light. We also blacked out the Ferrari badges here and here to match out with the color of the car, and we painted this insane exhaust in the color matte black, and it sounds like this. So now, since you know about this amazing piece of art, the SF90 Keyvany, stay tuned for more, like and subscribe because this is what's coming next.